beautiful people, and welcome back to part 2 of my FabFitFun video. Now with my first one, I realized the video was getting quite long with just the unboxing, so rather than make another half an hour to 45-minute long video, which is quite a bit on my computer if I'm being honest, because the compiling and things like that definitely bog it down, I decided to break it up into 2 videos. So if you want to check out my FabFitFun box fall 2020 box unboxing, I'll link it up in the cards up here. But this video is the FabFitFun add-ons haul. So with any box, you get a chance to add on or shop some very discounted items that go along with the fall box. So you can, sometimes if you're a select member, you can get additional choices within the box. So if you saw something and you wanted 2 of them, if you wanted one item and then the other item, you can pick one for your box and you can pay a little bit extra to get that second item as well. So I did that for some of them, and then I just shopped the actual add-ons themselves for the rest of it. Bit of a shopaholic, but the nice part about this is that it's a wide array of stuff. You still get like the same wide array of goods. They're all still very good quality, but they're actually at a lot more reasonable prices. Do I remember the prices? Not at all, but let's get into it. They're in a ginormous box down at my feet, so I could lift it to show you, but then that would hurt. So I'm just gonna reach into it and grab whatever is on top. So this is a set of bath salts. I love taking nice relaxing baths, and this was a set or package of multiple different kinds of bath salts. It's from Bethurian. It has actually a code if you wanted 20% off of your first order, which is FFF20 at Bethurian.com. So this one has the Crush, which is, oh, they're all Bethurian Crush, never mind. This is the Sea Kelp Serenity, which is a relaxing bath soak, creamy effervescent lather, a Ancient Oat Hydration, proudly Canadian made, Northern Sage Recovery, which is a rejuvenating one. Let's see, the Ancient Oak is a soothing bath soak. This is a rejuvenating bath soak. Eucalyptus Apothecary, which is a rejuvenating bath soak. Charcoal Garden Detox, which is the detoxifying bath soak. And the thing I didn't realize was that all of these are single use. So this is actually kind of nice because I think I underdo it when I put in my bath salts. Like I think I put in too little at a time. So these are actually all for one bath. So 5 baths worth. You know what I'm trying to say. I'm really excited to try these 5 out, so that's cool. I'm actually planning on having a bath right after this, so this is perfect. Next is a hair towel. I mostly just needed one of these. This is like a little hair wrap for after you get out of the shower. They usually have like a little clip on the back, and it's just a nice hair towel that prevents you from having to use one of your actual towels as a hair turban. So that's that. This is the After Spa hair towel in pink. I don't think I got a choice on the color. This is what I meant before when I said you could pick one of the second options for like $10 or $15. If you liked 2 of the options in a choice, you can pick the other option as well, but you just pay a little bit extra for it. And so that's what I did here. So this is the Botkier New York tote bag. I think the reason why I was so curious was because this was listed at like $100 and something, and I was like, how in the world is a tote bag worth that much? The zipper does nothing. Why is this even here? I was just like, that sounds really weird. Like a normal tote bag, why is it worth that much? And honestly, looking at it, I still don't get it. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. It's really nicely made. It's pretty good quality. It's pretty chic as well, but like, I don't get it. I mean, yes, it was worth the $15 that I paid for it, but 100? No. So this was more for curiosity's sake, because I really don't need that much more bags, but I was just really curious, but I wanted something else instead. So I got that thing, and then I got this as a curiosity. Kind of disappointed, actually. But that's that. Next, I got a different Bethurian product. This is the Bethurian Milk Coconut and Bourbon Vanilla Mineral Milk Bath. So my partner has also been recently enjoying the bath. How do I say that in a not weird way? Basically, my partner used to not really like baths because he would be bored, but we found a setup for him so he can actually enjoy bath time. And this, I feel like, is a scent that he can get behind, and it's more for muscle relaxation because we're finding that just being homeowners and having all the stuff to do around the house, that there's a lot to keep up with. So our muscles get tired at the end of the day. So this is kind of nice as like a little relaxing bath soak. And so this is a little present for him. All right. I had been meaning to get more toothbrushes, and these were biodegradable toothbrushes. So I thought that was really cool. I think they're made out of bamboo, and I just really wanted to try them, and I needed more toothbrushes. So That's all they are. Oh, they're not bamboo. They're just biodegradable. What are they made out of? It does not say what it's made out of, but it's just a toothbrush. Nothing terribly exciting there. Really needed a toothbrush. Oh, can you see a theme? I went for lots of bath soaks because I was running out. So this is the Muscle Soak Himalayan Salt, 100% natural, by way of the will. Again, because I was running out of bath salts. So this is for both of us to use. Truly Gone Acne Fighting Super Dots. All right. I have been having problems with my acne flaring recently, and I know that's not an uncommon thing right now because a lot of people are having mask-related acne. I don't show many of my breakouts right now because I have makeup on, but I have been getting a lot more painful breakouts as well. So I was hoping that these might actually work. I have no idea if they work or not, but at the very least it will prevent me from constantly touching it, which is in all essence good for it. So these should hopefully help. I didn't have any of these before, so we're gonna try them. Becca Pearl Glow Lip Tint in the shade Rose. I didn't realize I got any makeup here. I guess I did. So is this also like a lip balm then? That's awfully bright. Let's see if that swatch is just as bright. Oh, that smells so strongly of strawberry. Holy cow. So I think that's just mostly a lip balm with a very, very, very sheer wash of color. It's got a little bit of sparkle to it. Yeah, it's a lip balm. Very artificially strawberry scented lip balm. Not a lot of pigment, but it smells good. Kind of makes me want to eat it. Nope, nope. Bad. Don't do that. Okay, this is Grown Alchemist Tinted Age Repair Lip Treatment Tripeptide Violet Leaf Extract. That is a mouthful. What did I get? Another lip balm? I guess it's a lipstick. It doesn't actually have a color. Is this not tinted? I don't know how I feel about it. I think it's more that I've been on this kick of trying to get tinted lip balms because my lips don't really like lipsticks or liquid lipsticks or anything like that because they're quite drying. So I really like lip balms, but I also like the little hint of color that lip balms give you. Now, I have a great lip balm that I love, but it's very pigmented, and that is the Rare Beauty Dewy Lip Balm in the shade Empathy, which I'm actually wearing right now. It's got a ton of pigment, acts like a lipstick, but is a lip balm. So I ordered these before I found this, which is a little unfortunate because this is kind of exactly what I was looking for. But these are nice for the no makeup days where it gives you a little bit more color than just your pale lips, which is my problem. Then it also helps treat your lips as well, like a lip balm. Now this doesn't really have much color to it, but maybe it's better on the actual lips. But again, lip balm, always need more of those. So I'm gonna try it at least. Ooh, it says Happy on it. So this is the Happy Rosemary and Grapefruit Bath and Body Oil and the Natural Temple Rub in Calming. Ah, this is why. Okay, it's a bath thing. I was like, wait, why did I buy a body oil? I don't like body oils. I'm confused. This is why. Fill your bath with warm water and add a half capful of the Happy oil. Sit back and relax. So it's a bath oil. That's why I bought it. And this was just a nice bonus. Ooh, it kind of leaked everywhere. Doesn't smell very calming. Almond oil, peppermint, and lavender. I mean, that should be calming, but I like it smells peppermint. More bath stuff. I'm sensing a theme, past self. I'm sensing a big theme. Lots of self-care. When did I order this? This was about 2 months ago probably that I put in this order. Yeah, a month or two ago. So when I was still doing the massive amounts of work and was very stressed out. So that makes sense. That does make sense. Bath salts. Relaxing things. Yep. I get you now, past self. I get you. Ooh, Tarte. Lid Lock Eye Base. Okay. In Buff. Okay, that's a pretty cool cap. I kind of like that. Let's see, so I'm going to guess this is an eyeshadow primer, considering it's called Eye Base. It's a cream. It's not very pigmented. This is it right here. I don't think you can see it. But, I mean, it's probably meant to be applied with a brush, and I don't want to put my finger in it too much to get it too dirty, so this will be cool to try out. I have not found an eyeshadow primer that I like yet. Either they're more like concealer, and then they do block out the pigment on my eyelids, but then they also crease up right here, and they're not necessarily the best at holding my eyeshadow in place. Or they have no pigment and they hold the eyeshadows well, but then you can still see my under eyes through them. So I haven't found one that's pigmented, but also does a good job of not moving on my eyelid. So still on the lookout. Maybe this will be it. Who knows? We'll see. We will see. Well, this was a waste. I got these Futsuki insoles, which are supposed to help massage your feet inside your shoes. I very, very recently got fitted for orthotics because I gave up. I've been having some plantar fasciitis. My job sometimes requires me to walk all day on concrete or tile floors. I'm not quite sure what kind of floors they are, but they're very hard and constantly on my feet for up to 12 to 24 hours a day. So I kind of caved once I started to get the plantar fasciitis on my heel, and it was very painful. So I went, you know what, enough's enough. I'm going to go get orthotics, custom orthotics. And I forgot that I'd ordered these, but oh well. It was a good thought, past me. Good thought, but then you caved and got the real stuff. So maybe I'll see if my partner wants these. I have two things left. One is this. Ooh, this is so cute. Oh my god, I love all the fruits on it. Okay, yeah, so it's just got the paper inside. I guess there's a little thingy for a pen, but this is just, it's a gorgeous print. I really wanted it. Part of my job is like a self-directed billing thing. So I get these stickers and then I bill off of those stickers. So I figured this would be a great way to keep track of them all for me. And it's cute. It's very cute. That's what this is for. I'm excited. Then along the line of organization is this. Because as I said, my schedule can be all over the place, I wanted some planners so that once my schedule, or at least part of my schedule, comes out, I can start to keep track of it. So this is an undated planner, so I could even set it up now for the next few months. That's actually really nice. I might set this up soon. And then there's little stickers, I guess, to go with it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, February stickers, so you can actually customize the planner. Here, the undated one with actual dates. If you're not good at bullet journaling, which I'm not. I know that's not a bullet journal, but you know what I mean, where it's like you just aren't good at it and making it look pretty, and then that can help you cheat. And same thing with this as well, actually. It's an undated weekly planner, weekly calendar plus address book. This is a good week by week planner, and this is a month by month planner, I'm gonna guess. Yeah, this is a month by month. You get a lot of months, actually. No, you get 12. I was wrong. There's 12 months in here. Dang it. I don't know why I'm upset by that. But so this will be a nice like week to week planner for if I have more daily to-dos, and this will be a good kind of overall viewpoint on where am I working on what day. So that is everything I got in my add-ons. It was very much a more practical and self-care focused add-ons haul this time. A few frivolous items like the eyeshadow primer and the lip stuff, but a lot of it was focused on relaxation. A lot of it was focused on relaxation. A lot of it. I have like 5 different bath salts on my table right now. And some of it was focused on work, because the other reason why I wanted to check out this tote too was because depending on the size, it would be perfect to bring with me to work. Because it would fit my planner, it would fit my billing list, it would fit everything that I would need it to. So that was also nice as well. And then the insoles. At the time, I hadn't gotten orthotics yet. Definitely a much more self-care, self-love focused add-ons haul. On that note, actually, I want to make sure that everyone out there is taking the time that they need to take care of themselves. I know that this is a crazy, hectic, and just insane time to be living. I cannot say that I know what you're going through because I probably don't, but I do hope that everyone is taking at least a little bit of time to take care of themselves. It's so important for your physical health and for your mental health, and I cannot stress it enough. But just know that my heart goes out to everyone who watches this video. I love you all, beautiful people, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Regardless of what happens, I hope something makes your day a little bit better. Hopefully it's this video, but even if it's not, I hope something else does. All right, well, I will see you next time. Bye.